Hello students, I am Astra, the trainer of VS Tech Horizon Private Limited. Welcome back to our robotics series. In the last video, we created our project using Tinkercad, where we simulated the buzzer circuit virtually. In this video, we are going to build the same project using real hardware. This will help you understand how to work with actual components and bring your virtual projects to life. So, let's get started. The project is Arduino Buzzer Alert System. This project will help us learn how to generate sound using a buzzer with the help of Arduino. It is widely used in security systems, alarms, and notification devices. To build this project, we need the following components: Arduino Uno, the brain of our project; buzzer to produce sound when activated; male-to-female jumper wires to connect the buzzer to the Arduino; USB cable to upload the code and power the Arduino. Make sure you have all these components ready before we move ahead. In this project, we will connect a buzzer to the Arduino Uno, and we will program it to beep at intervals of 1 second on and 1 second off. This is similar to how buzzers are used in alarm systems, notifications, and emergency alerts. Once we understand this, we can modify it to create custom alert sounds. Before assembling the circuit, let's understand the wiring. The positive pin of the buzzer is connected to digital pin 8 of the Arduino. The negative pin of the buzzer is connected to the GND, that is ground of the Arduino. This simple connection allows the Arduino to control when the buzzer turns on and off. Now, let's move to the hardware assembly. Watch carefully as we connect the components step by step. Follow along and set up your circuit in the same way. Take Arduino Uno and a male-to-female jumper wire. One end will go to the ground pin on the Arduino. I have used a yellow wire for this connection. Take the buzzer and identify its pins. The shorter leg is negative, and the longer leg is positive. Connect the negative pin of the buzzer to the yellow wire ground. Take another male-to-female jumper wire. I am using an orange wire for the positive connection. Connect the positive pin of the buzzer to pin 8 of the Arduino Uno. Now, take the USB cable and connect your Arduino Uno to the laptop. This will provide power and allow us to upload the code. In the last video, we saw the coding part. Now, open Arduino IDE, create a new sketch, and paste the code. Now, let's upload the code to the Arduino. Open the Arduino IDE. Click on Upload. Wait for the code to compile and upload. Once the upload is complete, let's check if it's working. Yes, the buzzer is turning on and off every second as per our code. Our project is working perfectly. Thank you for watching. So, we have successfully built and tested our Arduino Buzzer Alert System. Now, you can experiment by modifying the timing in the code. In the next video, we will create another exciting project LED blinking system using Tinkercad. So, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing robotics lessons. See you in the next video.